Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a YouTube intro in using Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Chrome browser, select your profile. Now open canva.com. You can search it on Google or you can directly put canva.com in the URL box. After opening the website, you can log in with your Gmail account. It's easy and free. Then you can see this option, create a design. Click on here. Now in the search list, search for intro and you will get YouTube intro option. You can see this here, YouTube intro. Click on here. Now the best thing I like about Canva is it offers you hundreds template suggestion. You don't have to waste your time. You can just directly select this template and you can use it in your video. So example, if you want a gaming video, you can tap gaming here and you will get tons of gaming intros as you can see here, and all are super cool and dope. I will show you. See this intro, it's look very aesthetic. So to change the text, just go click on the text and you can change the your channel name according to your need. You can also change the color of the text by going to this A option and choose a color. I would prefer little okay. You can also change the text font by clicking on here and change the text font according to your need. Okay, after doing all the changes according to your need, go to here share option and click on download. Maximize the size for better quality and click on download and your YouTube intro will be downloaded. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.